Good morning, children. Children, this is our second session of maths, and in this session, children, we're going to learn place value digits, and comparison of numbers. Children, in previous session, we have learned the successor and predecessor, 4-digit numbers, and number names. And I hope you all have practiced all those exercises which I gave you. So children, let's start with place value. Okay? Children, we already know about ones place, tens place, and hundred place. This one, tens and hundred. We have already learned, but today we are going to learn about the thousand place, and thousand place is denoted by TH. For example, here 3, 2, 1, 5 is written. Okay, children? So, in thousand place, 3 is there. At hundred place, 2 is there. And at 10 place, 1 is there. And in ones place, 5 is there. So, it makes 3,215. Okay, children? So, let's move to another example. Okay. The digit at ones place in 4,096. Children, this 6 is in ones place, 9 is at tens place, 0 is at hundred place, and 4 is at thousands place. So, which digit at ones place? It is 6. Similarly here, the digit at tens place in 5,903 is, so where is it tens place? Here, children. Okay, so the digit is 0. The digit at hundreds place in 9,763 is, so which one is hundred place? 7. Okay, the digit at thousands place in 7,982 is, thousand place is 7. So here also 7. Okay, children. So in this example, 6 is at ones place, 0 is at tens place, 7 is at hundred place, and this 7 is at thousands place. Okay, children. So let's move to other. Children, see this example. At thousand place, 2 is written. At hundreds place, 6 is there. At tens place, 5 is there. At ones place, 4 is there. So how will you write number? 2,654. Okay, children. Now place value of digits. Okay. Children, we know that in this number, 5 is at ones place, 1 is at tens place, 2 is at hundred place, and 3 is at thousands place. Let's see the value of these digits. Okay. See, children, the place value of 5 is 5. That means 5 is at 1's place and its value is 5. Place value of 1 is 10. Means that 1 is at 10's place and 10's means 1, 0, 10. Okay. So 1 is there, so 10 is there. So place value of 1 is 10. The place value of 2 is 200. So it is 100. Position is 100 and the value of 2 is, because it is at 100 place, so 200. Okay. Similarly, at 1000, 3 is at 1000's place. So the place value of 3 is 3000. Okay, children? So we can write this number like this. 3000 plus 200 plus 10, because 1 is at tens, and 5. So it becomes 3215. Okay, children? Let's move on to exercise 1.4. Fill in the blanks. Children, see. 3, 2, 1, 5. So the digit at thousands place is, which digit is at thousands place? Yes, 3. Okay. Then the digit at hundreds place is, so children, which digit? 2. Yes, very good. Then the digit at tens place is 1. Yes, 1. And the digit at ones place is 5. 5. Got it, children? Okay, very good. So let's move to this exercise. So children, all these exercise we are going to do in your copy. Okay. Then write the numbers for the following. Now 9 at thousands place, 4 at hundreds place, 6 at tens place, 3 at ones place. So how will you write, children? See. Nine is at thousands place. So write here 9. 4 at hundreds place. So 4 is at hundreds place. Then 6 at tens place. 6 at tens place and 3 at ones place. Okay. So 9, 4, 6, 3. So it makes 9463. Okay. Let's do the other example again. 5 at thousands place. So children, see. 5 is at thousands place. Then 0 at hundreds place. So write here 0. Then again 3 at tens place. 3 at tens place and 1 at ones place. Okay. So what it becomes? 5, 0. So what it becomes? 5031. Okay. So now here, fill in the blanks, children. See the third part. Place value. So children, place value of 5 is 5. Where it is? It is at ones place. So write here 5. Place value of 2 is, where it is? It is at 100 place. Okay. And it is 100. So 2 zeros comes after 2. So what it becomes? 200. Okay. Then place value of 8. So place value of 8 is at tens. So I told you earlier, children, that it is of tens, that is 8 multiplied by 10. Okay. So it becomes 80. Okay. Then what about 7? It is at thousands place. So what it becomes, children? 7,000. Okay. Got it, children? So let's do the other example. Place value of 3. So where 3 is written? At ones position. So write here 3. Okay. Place value of 0 is at 100. So children, write here 0 because it is written at hundreds place. So it is here 0. Then place value of 4. 4 is at tens place, children. So 4 multiplied by 10, it is 40. And 4 place value of 1 is at thousands place. So what it becomes? It becomes 1000. Okay. So do all the parts like this, children. Then we'll move on to the abacus. So children, abacus is a counting tool, and you are going to show these numbers on the abacus. Okay. So first we'll do exercise 1.5. Okay. So in exercise 1.5, A, draw the beads on the abacus to show the numerals. So children, we are going to show these numbers on the abacus. So children, first see the thousand place, then 100 place, and tens and ones. So what is written at thousands place? It is 1. That means we are going to draw one bead at 1000 place. Then 0 at 100 place. That means no bead is there. Then 2 at tens place. So how many beads are there? 2. Very good. Then at ones place, 4 is there. So how many beads? 4. Yes. Smart children. Okay. B1. So 3235. So how many beads are there on 1000 place? 3. Yes. And how many beads are at 100? Then it is 2. How many beads are there on the tens place? 3. And at ones place, 5. 5. Okay. So do all the rest parts in your copy. Next, read numeral on the abacus. So how will you read numbers on abacus, children? Okay. Let's see. Okay, here children, 2 beads are at thousands place. How many beads? 2. How many beads at hundreds place? 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means here 4. So how many beads at tens place? Count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 beads. And 3 beads at ones place. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what it becomes? It becomes 2473. So like this, you will count the beads and the abacus scale and then write the numbers. So see your exercise 1.6. See. Okay. So how many beads are there on thousands place? 2 right here. 2. Then at hundreds place, 1, 2, 3. 3. At tens place, there is no number, so you write 0 because 0 means nothing. And at ones place, it is 1. So write here 1. So what it becomes? It becomes 2301. Let's do B part. So how many beads are there at thousands place? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4. Then how many beads are at hundreds place? 3. Yes. The count at tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4. This becomes 4. Now how many beads are at ones place? Count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it becomes 4347. Okay children. So do rest of the parts like this. Okay children. Now that is all for today. Children, do all the exercises 1.4, 1.5 and 1.6 in your copy and submit your copy through WhatsApp. So children, when we'll meet next time, we'll do many more things in this chapter. Goodbye and thank you. Have a nice day.